Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. Today we will be solving 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8x plus 16 is less than 0 without using a graphing calculator or any graphing technology. Now that we have this, we can take the common number out, which is 2x squared. That gives us x plus 2. And then over here I can take 8 out, which would give me x plus 2 as well. Now that I have this, I can write this as 2x squared plus 8 multiplied by x plus 2. And now I will solve for the roots, which would give me, this would give me x squared is equals to minus 4, which is not possible since the under root of a negative number is not possible. So this cannot happen. Then this will give me x plus 2 equals to 0, would give me x is equals to minus 2. So now if I make a number line right here, and let's say that x is minus 2 is here, now I have to figure out if the vertical asymptote is right here. Now I will take a value less than minus 2 and I will take a value greater than minus 2 and plug that into my equation right here and see if I get numbers greater than or less than 0. So 2 minus 2 squared plus 2 minus 3 squared. So we're doing this part less than minus 2. 2 minus 3 squared plus 8 times minus 3 plus 2. This gives me 2 times 9 plus 8 multiplied by minus 1. This gives me 18 plus 8, which is 26 times minus 1, which is equal to minus 26, which is less than minus 2. So this is fine. This is fine. So we get a negative number. So fx is less than 0 here. Fx is less than 0 for x is less than minus 2. Now let's try out this side, which is greater than, when x is greater than minus 2. So let's plug in 0. So 2 times 0 squared plus 8 multiplied by 0 plus 2. This gives us 0 plus 8 into 2, which is equals to 16. So this is greater than 0. So fx is not less than 0 for x is greater than minus 4. Therefore we get that. So therefore we get the answer for this would be 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8x plus 16 is less than 0 for x is less than minus 2. This would be my answer. I can take this and write it right here, and that's our final answer. I hope I made everything clear. So thank you for joining us, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.